Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi A7 PRO. This version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box, look completion. We have 6.9-inch display, 6000 mAh battery, 4GB RAM and 120GB ROM memory. NFC we have in this device. Open box, look completion. Device of course, and only cable, and that's all. Without protected back cover, without adapter for charging. On the back side, camera and LED. On the front side, 6.9-inch display, power button, volume buttons. On this side, slot for 2.9 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, speaker, microphone, headphones jack and Type-C port. Turn on device. Open settings. Look Android version. About phone we have Xiaomi HyperOS 3 and Android 16. Looks good, without lags. Okay, smooth. And open tests. Geekbench 6. We have CPU Unisoc T7250 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score. And look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, close this. And run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Game load, and load on the high graphic level, ultra frame rate and medium graphic balanced level. Works good. We can play PUBG Mobile on this device. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.